Question 6 is a solution question. We know because each answer choice is a listing of everybody in position, so all the films on the days that they're assigned to, and it says which of the following could be a complete and accurate description of the order in which they're shown. So both the complete and accurate from the question stem and the answer choices tell us that this is a solution question. Solution questions don't require you to do anything but apply the rules that you're given one by one to the answer choices. So rule 1, on Thursday, harvest is shown and no film is shown after it on that day. Just check each answer choice. Well, A is fine because harvest is on Thursday and it's the last film. In B, also fine. In C, also fine. In D, not fine. Limelight is last, so it's going to go away. That answer choice is gone. Answer choice E, it's fine. Harvest is the last one on Thursday. Rule 2, on Friday either G or L but not both is shown and no film is shown after it on that day. So check each answer choice again against this rule. So in A, Limelight is being shown and Greed is not shown, so that's fine. In B, Limelight is shown last, however, Greed is shown on the same day. That's no good. Answer choice B is out. Answer choice C, on Friday we have Limelight and no Greed, so we're good. D's already gone, so we don't check it again. Answer choice E, we have Limelight, but then it's followed by Harvest. That's no good. It's supposed to be Limelight as the last film on that day, so E is gone. The final rule says on Saturday either Greed or Harvest but not both is shown and no film is shown after it. We only have to check it against 2 of the answer choices. So A, Saturday has Harvest, that is fine. Answer choice C has Greed following Limelight, but that's fine. Nothing blocks Limelight from being on Saturday. So we might seem like we have a problem here. We've used up all our rules, but we still have 2 answer choices. So when that happens, you want to go check the original scenario to see if there's any sneaky rules hidden up there that might be the reason to eliminate one of your final answers. And here, that is the case. In the middle of the scenario, it says each film is shown at least once during the festival. So if you check answer choice A, notice we have Limelight, we have Harvest, there's no Greed there. Greed never got shown, and since Greed never got shown, A is out. That means that C is my answer. Don't need a sketch to do a solution question, so even if you don't understand how to set the game up, you should be able to snag this point simply by picking a rule and then looking for violations in the answer choices.